Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I just discussed the same thing, the mensuration from the class 8, I.C.S.E, C.B.S.E, all the West Bengal board, also the perimeter and area. You know the different types of formula, you know the shape. Just I write down two sums in which you solve, that is you just see. Okay, so first sum is here. First sum is there. The drawing is very important. The find the area in hectare. You know the hectare is the greater unit. Okay. Find the hectare. 1 hectare, actually 1 hectare, that means 100 meter into 100 meter. This is the relation hectare. Okay. So find the area in hectare of a field whose length is this and the perimeter is this. Now field is maybe rectangle, it may be square. Which one you select? Because whose length is this and the perimeter. If in case of the square the perimeter is 4 into a, that means 4 into length is 240. Is not. So this is the 700 meter. So it's cut. First is not a square. Square, the perimeter is 4 into side. If the one side is this, so just to calculate 4 into 240. This is 960, but here is 700. So it's a rectangle. First one. Now rectangle, the length is this 240 meter. 240 meter. This is meter. And this is, you know the rectangle formula, perimeter of rectangle. This is 2 bracket L plus B. So that is given. Whose length is this and perimeter is 700. Okay. So what is L plus B? L plus B is 700 by 2. That is 350 meter. Out of this L is 240 plus B, that is 350. So B is 350 by 240, that is meter. Okay. So this is 40, 50, 10, this 110. Okay. Clear? Is clear to you? 110 meter is the breadth. Okay. Clear? First you select which are, this is of which formula you apply, the rectangle formula or the square formula. In case of perimeter, you just check this is the perimeter. In case if this is a square, the perimeter is 4 into side, already given the side is there. If you just multiply 4 into this is 960. So it's not that is 700, it's not possible in the square. So it's a rectangle. That is first you determine. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2. L into B, this is 700, is okay to you. So L plus B is equal to divide by 2, this is 350. You put the value 240, to get the breadth is this. Now the area, you know the area length into breadth. So this is 240 meter and this is 110 meter. Okay, is okay. This is the area, but this area in the meter square. This is actually the meter square, but you convert to the hectare. That means, you know, divided by this, the area in hectare. This is 240 into 110 by, this is 100 into 100 hectare. Okay. So this out, this out. So that means actually here is 24 into this by 100 hectare. So what is the calculation? 24 into 100, 11. This is 24. This is also 24. 4, 264. 264 by 100 hectare. So that means actually this is right. It's clear. So 2.64 hectare. This is the area of this field. Is okay to you? It's clear to you? Very interesting. Just you convert. Find the area in hectare. This is the area of a field whose length is this and perimeter. First you select the field is square or a rectangle. If the square, you check it. The different formula you apply. It's not a square because perimeter of the square is 4 into side is 960 and is 700. So it's confirmed that this is the rectangle. So rectangle, you put the value of the rectangle, the perimeter formula. Okay. From there you just put the value of L, you get breadth. So length into breadth is the area, is actually in the meter square. So you convert to this, divide by 10,000, you get the hectare. 2.64 hectare. Is okay to you? Clear. Now the next sum. It's very interesting. So this is the application actually. Is okay to you. Now a different sum. Other sum is Very interesting. In this way, you just solve different term. But very important thing is the conception. If the here is the strong conception, any sum due to be solved from the any books, from the West Bengal board, for the I.C.S.E. board, the C.B.S.E. board, anywhere in the book, if the growing is a concept and conception is clear, and the formula you just remember, you just do all this sum from the anywhere of the books. Okay, so clear to you. My motto is that you have the growing the certain conception, the interest in the maths, interest in the mensuration. You like, you love it, the mensuration. Solving the sum very interestingly. Okay, so let's the sum is here. A person. Suppose a person, okay to you? Suppose a person walks at the rate of this kilometer. How long will it take to a ground of a square? Square. First one. Write a square. So A, B, C. This is a square. Okay. A person walks, move করছে at the rate of 4 kilometer per. First your calculation. 4 kilometer per hour. You just convert 4 into 5 by 18 meter per second. This is 2, this is 9. That means actually 10 by 9 meter per second. This is the speed of the walking speed. That means in 1 second the person moves 10 by 9 meter. This first one you convert. This is the physics. A person walks at the rate of this. How long will it take to ground square part at times? Whose area is this? এই যে মুভ করছে তার মানে তোমাকে কি বার করতে বলছে? এইখান থেকে যাচ্ছে, এখান থেকে যাচ্ছে, এখান থেকে মুভিং। দ্যাট মিনস অ্যাকচুয়ালি দ্য বাউন্ডারি কভার। দ্যাট মিনস হুইচ ফর্মুলা ইউ অ্যাপ্লাই? The perimeter of the square. You should know perimeter of the square 4 into side. 4 into side. What is the perimeter of this? If this is a one round, that means one perimeter, but it's round 5 times. So total distance cover 4 into side. This is also into 5 because of 5 round. The first your job is to find out the side. So you know the given is this area of the square. You know if the area is A, so A into A, that is A square, that is 2500 meter square. 2500 meter square. So what is the A? A means the side. Root over of this 2500, that means this is 5 and this is 2010. This is meter. You get. So this is 50 meter. This is 50 meter. This is 50 meter. This is 50 meter. Okay. You clear the side. You calculate the side. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 4 into side. আমি এখানটা একটু করব 4 into side. So 4 into 50. So this is 200 meter is the perimeter. 5 times round. So 5. What is the total distance covered? This is meter. So 1000 meter distance covered. What is the rate? কি বলেছে? Person walks at the rate of this. How long will it take? That means তোমাকে টাইমটা বার করতে বলেছে. You have to calculate the time. You know the speed. So what is the time? In case of physics, you know distance by velocity. So this is 1000. It's clear to you? This by 10 by 9 second. That is actually, so this is 1000 into 9 by 10 second. করলে কত হচ্ছে? This is the distance is this. Okay. So this is কত হচ্ছে এটা? 90 second. Is clear? (90 seconds). 1 minute. 1 minute. 5 into 200. 5 into 200 is 100. 100 by this 90 second. Okay. Is clear? This is 10 by 9. 90 second means no. This is second. Okay. So distance is there is this is 1 minute. A person walks at the rate of 4 kilometer per hour. 4 kilometer, 4, 5 by 18. 5 by 18, this is 2, 10, this is 9. Okay, meter per second. So this is 50. So 50 means 200. 50 means 200. That means this is 200 means here is 200 one time. The 200. So this is 100 meter. So this is the 5 times 5 into this 100 meter. So this is one time you calculate 5 into 200 by this. The calculation is wrong here. One time this is 10 by 9, 9 by 10. So this is this. This is this by 100 into 9. Eta hobe. Oh, this is 2 zeros is there. 9920. This is for that. So this is this second. But this is the math. Very much you just calculate in this way. 1 zero is taken, it's not taken. This is only 90 you take. This is the 100. And it is 900 second. Okay. Now 900 second you just convert to the meter. So minute 900 second by 60. This is the minutes. This 15 minutes. So why are the mistake I just clear? So this is the 2 zeros are there. I just take 1 zeros. Okay. So here is the mistake. So this is the 900 second. 900 second that you convert to the meter. Minutes divided by 60. 1 zero is out. So 15 into 6. 15 minutes. So what is the time taken? How long would take the time to round this the 5 times? So 15 minutes is the time taken. Is clear? So in this way you solve this. This is a different pattern of sum. So this for today. I just upload the different pattern of harder sum in the next video coming. Okay. So this for today. If you just understand, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you for that. Okay. Thank you.